To make the strawberry cake, it's really simple. You're gonna need 27 strawberries. I had to buy 3 boxes to be able to get my 27 strawberries. You're gonna wanna wash, dry, and decorate the day of to make sure that they're fresh. Right here, I'm using Ghirardelli white chocolate mixed with a little bit of almond bark to thin that out. Now, the first layer is really important. It has 9 strawberries, and you have to make sure that you're lining them up kind of in the middle. Now my second layer has sanding sugar because I wanted to add glitter to it. Make sure that you're removing all the excess chocolate before adding the sanding sugar, and then you're going to strategically place them on top of each other. We're going to finish off the top layer with some white strawberries. This is how it looks naked. It looks really pretty. Now we're adding all of our berries. I'm using blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I'm securing everything with chocolate, and I know some people had a hard time with me charging $100 for this, but you guys, you have to take into consideration your time, and the fact that you have to do it the same day is so stressful. And since we're using different berries, it's not cheap to make. Plus, the box is so beautiful, you guys. So make sure that you're charging accordingly if you plan on doing this. Now I'm adding some gold accents to this, and you guys can find every mold and everything that I use in my Amazon storefront, so you guys can check that out. I also got some happy birthday acrylic toppers, and you guys can find that also on my Amazon storefront. And on top of it, I added this beautiful frame. Everything was going perfect until I dropped the lemon extract on my box, you guys, and it turned it yellow. I was freaking out because it was almost pickup time. So I grabbed a sharp knife and I carefully removed the whole cake from the box. It actually ended up turning out great because I was able to center my cake a little bit more. So right here, I'm just adding some finishing touches. And this is how beautiful it turned out. You guys, just imagine this in a hot pink. That would look so beautiful. Some people were suggesting to dip each strawberry individually, let it dry, and then stack it up. What do you guys think about that method? I also read some comments asking, how do we even cut this? And honestly, I would just use a sharp knife and just cut each berry individually. You can find these beautiful boxes on my Amazon storefront, and I also added this gold ribbon and a little gem on top. It looked so beautiful. I really hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to follow me for more tutorials.